August ni som pakua sang ni som ni panga ania Lai Autonomous District Council Chairman Puti Zakunga le Deputy Chairman C Biak Thansang ite chuan voin khan banna Governor hena an thelu ta hei wang hian LADC a CEM in thlop tu anei dan fia thei anilo nimina Chief Executive Member Tana la lu tak United Democratic Alliance roi tu Puen Zangura chuan thlop tu anei dan fia turin voin chundar som pania tran turin LADC Chairman Puti Zakunga chuan nimin tlai lam khan LADC emergency session akova session tran ma hian ZPM sarkar thuta a chairman le deputy chairman ten banna an thelu wangin session kai ruai tu tur an omlo wangin Puen Zangura din hunpo fia thei ani talo session hall a hian member then khat an lut mana chairman le deputy chairman an bang ti an riat nuwa session hall hi an chua san Puti Zakunga hi pumin March ni somni paruk khan LADC chairman atan thlan ania C Biak Thansang hi April ni somni pani sangni somni panga khan deputy chairman atan thlan ani LADC a UDA sarkar piang chhomeka chairman le deputy chairman te an ban wang hian UDA lam chuan governor hena protem chairman rot sak turin ngin thuai an tuma protem chairman kai hruaina hnuaia chairman thar thlanna nei alani ang